intro, but there's so much traffic and so much noise. I'm trying to get like a moment with no noise in the background. Another car started up over there. So if you followed me for a while, you'll know that I have to lay bricks to get the cars out, both cars. Today I'm going to try and fix that problem. Still going to have to use some sort of ramp, but I'm going to try and fix that problem. So you'll know that the pain in the arse to get these cars in and out. It's an absolute ball ache because I've got to lay bricks. I've got something that's maybe going to make my life a little bit easier. 30 seconds into this video and I'm starting to get a little bit warm. Take the hoodie off. Plank the wood. Don't you dare. I know I'm a short arse already, I don't need reminding, okay? Anyway, now I don't know if this is going to work because I think I bring my bricks out to here anyway, but if I can cut that in half, put something like that underneath, maybe a little bit of support somewhere, you know, maybe about there. We do the measurements. Don't know how this is going to pan out. By the way, this is just a whim thing. It's not like I measured this before I went and got it. I got it for free. It was just, we're going to try. See what we can make out of it. I've just remembered something. I've got 2 decking boards at the back of the garage. Wouldn't that be so much easier? What I need now is some more wood. So now I have a pallet. We're going to cut him up. I got my gloves to protect my hands from splitters. They're off. The whole idea that I've got behind this is that instead of laying multiple bricks to get out the car, I want something that's solid that I can just turn on its side, slide it down the side of the car, and then hey, I can just get in and out. That first drive, we got both the cars out. And that was a ball ache, an absolute ball ache, because I had to get the GTO out first, lay my bricks, pull the GTO out, lay the bricks, get the Skyline out, and had both cars idling on the driveway. And my God, how loud was it? Yeah, so this is going to cut the time down, in the hope that we can get the cars out, in and out, a little bit easier. Finally, it's taken me a while. Finally, the pallet is all in bits. Now, the main things I wanted was actually these blocks. That was the main thing that I wanted, because I think they're going to be the strongest side of the pallet. Now I'm going to try and place them strategically underneath each plank. Well, that's actually a set of 2 planks, just a bit of decking. Yeah, I'm going to place them underneath, make sure that it's all flat and that there's no reason for it to warp, because I think once it's got the weight of the car in it, it's going to snap. So the whole idea is to cut these up. I'm a little bit tired. Okay, enough gabbing on, let's just get this job done, because we've still got to try it out, haven't we? And it's a weird day. It's a weird day because like it's really overcast. It looks like it's freezing. I'm sweating. I've actually contemplated whether I should go and get changed or not, because I feel clammy. The jeans are tight. Put on weight. This whole lockdown's like, no, what the hell, man. Anyway, onward with the job. I'm gonna have to kind of custom make them, because you can see the gap between there to the gap between there, because this here has some massive dip in it, so we're gonna have to put a couple of extra planks. I'm gonna leave these longer than the ramp in case it topples over, because one thing I do, especially on this side here, so when I've got my bricks and I'm starting to turn the car around the driveway like that, it kind of skips a brick up on its end. And I don't want that to do that, because the only thing with having one solid plank like this, the weight of the car, it might make the plank jump up and rip a body kit off. That's what I'm trying to avoid as well. So if I leave them longer, it might give a little bit of more stability. I might cut a little bit longer ones here, just a little bit, sorry, camera's all over the place, so it doesn't kind of flip up. It shouldn't, but you never know. You never know. I decided to go and get something looser fitting, more comfortable for when I'm bending down. Progress so far, it's coming along quite good actually. I've screwed these down so we have a solid platform. So what I've done is taken one bit, just 1, 2, kind of 3, 4, maybe 4 along here. Because these are just decking, I'm not too confident they're going to hold the weight of the cars as they're going over. And because I don't have long enough screws, I'm making sure that all my screws are going downwards. I've removed all nails and I'm making sure that all the screws are going downwards. What I did with that, as you can see, 2 little black, I've screwed them together, then screwed that together. So hopefully this is going to work. I'm not particularly bothered about this side because I think this scaffolding board is going to be relatively strong, and I don't think that it's going to snap with the weight of the car as easy as what decking boards would. Still got plenty of wood. Solid all the way. I have made them a little bit wider so it doesn't topple over, and then underneath there I've got another block, a couple of blocks under there just to support that bit, because that's the biggest gap I've got. You know what's coming soon. I'm gonna have to test my car on this damn thing. I hope it doesn't collapse. A mate of mine, Dan, gave me the idea of trying the Skoda on here first, so we might just do that. I might bring the Skoda, make sure that they hold the weight. I'm customizing the ramps to this side of the garage because there's an extra bit of dip there, so there might be a little bit uneven there, but hey ho. Hopefully the wood's going to warp and it's going to kind of bend and work to the contours of the driveway. Current state. Trying to keep all the damn nails and crap in one place, because I would hate and be very angry if I got a nail in my tyres, any of my tyres. This is the moment of truth. We're going to see if my workmanship holds up. I'm going to drive the Skoda on first. I've pushed the Skyline a little bit further back into the garage, and we're going to make sure that they can hold the weight. Because I'm hoping if they can hold the weight of the Skoda, they're going to hold the weight of the Skyline. I'm kind of nervous.
Like that. Like, just keep going. Like that. Yeah, so you need to come round like just how you are. Jin, go on the other side. Show people problems. Just keep going like that. This wheel is straight on this ramp. Yep. Bang. Natural. I just stop, in other words. Well, this one's not at all.
That was successful. Now we're going to try and get it back in. And yes, the front bumper was quite close to the floor. I need to try and learn to be able to do this on my own. Sorry about the noise. I think that was a successful job. Now, this is when I pick them up and they all fall apart. We're going to try the GTO next. Should we try the GTO while we're out? I think while we're all here, I think we should. Okay. Jane, go and get the key, put this one back, please.
Jane, go and check that side. Go and check that side.
overall I think that was a successful afternoon. Yes, it took me all afternoon because Annabelle's how long? Anyway, it's there. We have one little bit of a problem though, because I ran out of, just waiting for traffic to go past, you know, because the noise. I've run out of long screws. So, doing the GTO, this bit came completely off. So, I'm gonna have to get myself some longer screws to fix that. But other than that, we're golden. We're golden. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I hope this wasn't a tedious video. And for those that kept on pushing me to do ramps, you finally got your wish. So, until next time.